All right, here we go. Question 27 for 8.2. So for question 27, we have x plus y squared equals 3. And we have 4x plus y squared equals 0. So when I look at this, I know I'm going to have to find where they cross because I want to find the area between those two curves. And solving for y is not going to be as nice as solving for x. So I'm going to have x equals 3 minus y squared. Now this looks like a parabola just on its side. So let's go ahead. So it's going to be this way 3, and then it's going to go down like this. So that's this parabola right here. Where this guy, I'm going to subtract the y squared, and then I'm going to divide by 4. So you have negative 1/4 y squared. So he's going to start here, and it's going to be a much flatter parabola. And what I want to know is I want to know the area right here. So you'll notice my picture is probably not the best, but you'll notice those two halves should be identical. They should be the same area. What I need to know is I need to know where they crossed. So what I need to know is I need to know where 3 minus y squared is equal to negative 1/4 y squared. We could do this. Yeah, let's do it. Let's add the y squared over here. So 3 and then 1/4 plus negative 1/4 plus 1 would be 3/4. Flip and multiply, so you'd multiply by 4/3. So what you have is you have y squared is equal to 4, so y is plus or minus 2. So that means right here, that's negative 2, and this guy right here is at 2. So what I want to do is I want to find the area between those, so I'm going to do the integral from my lower y to my upper y from negative 2 to 2, and I'm going to go the more positive curve minus the other curve. So what I'm going to take is I'm going to go 3 minus y squared, that's the top curve, and then I'm going to subtract the second curve, which makes it a plus 1/4 y squared dy. Just for practice sakes, let's just do it. So we are going to have this. I'm going to simplify this right here. Let's see, negative 1, so it'll be negative 3/4 y squared. We can actually do that integral. That would be 3y minus, let's see, that would be y cubed. In order to get a 3/4, that's going to be a 1/4. And we're looking from negative 2 to 2. So let's see if I can. I know there's a way to do that. Anyway, let's zoom in. I should have zoomed in earlier. Sorry. So if I put the 2 in, I'm going to get 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1/4, 2 cubed is 8, minus, if I put a negative 2 in, I get negative 6, minus, and that's a cube, so it's going to be positive 1/4 times 8. So if I distribute and simplify, what I'll have is 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2. So let's see, 12 minus 4 is 8. Let me double check. And we're good to go. There it is, question 27.